All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about leveling up at your shop. All right, so I get asked a lot about how do I move up to the next level at my shop? You know, how do I go from doing oil changes and, yada, 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 to doing steering and suspension, diagnostics. I get emailed and questioned about that a lot. It's a very hard question to answer because it all depends on the shop environment you're in. In this shop, getting somebody to the next level is based on my opinion. So as I push them forward, do I need to push them harder so they move faster, or do I need to pull back and slow down? And unfortunately, I can't answer that question for anybody specifically because I don't know that situation. I don't know how the work is divvied up. I don't know the shop dynamics. Maybe they've got 20 techs and enough work for 10. Or you might have, 4 techs and enough work for 1. I can't answer that. Or you might have too much work for, 5 techs and all they're doing is trying to keep up. So you're getting the basic stuff thrown at you because they've got so much of the basic stuff. But how do you level up? Dedication, quality of work. If you can't turn out a good brake job without complaints, it's hard for me to move you up to the next step. If you're having comebacks all the time, work on that first, because they're not going to give you a shot at doing a AC repair when you've got 4 brake jobs sitting in the parking lot that have come back because they make noise or whatever because you didn't do your job. Part's not counted, but you get my point. Quality and consistency are the 2 most important things when leveling up. You got to be turning out quality repairs consistently, and then you got to ask for it. You got to go up to the boss or whoever assigns ticket, listen, I know, I think I'm ready for the next step. How about giving me that, that possible ball joint job or that electrical diagnosis? You got to ask for it. If you're sitting back there waiting for the next ticket and you're waiting for the guy to hand you, the next level ticket, it may not come unless you ask for it. You have to ask for it. Now, if you're consistently turning out good work, you're consistently asking for the next level jobs, and they're not doing it, you need to find out why. You need to ask, well, why not? Why can't I get that, step up job? Why can't I get that ticket that, is a little more difficult? Why? Why? Find out their reasons why they're not letting you step up. It might just be confidence in you. It might be, we're too busy to, hold your hand on this job. I got, this going on. There may be reasons that are unrelated to you, more dealing with what's going on in the shop. So you got to be prepared for that. Go up there, listen, man, if you got one that, I'll take my time on it. I'm going to do my best on it. Give me a shot. Let me try by myself. I really want to prove to you that I can move to the next level. Instill that confidence in them that you can move to the next level, and keep asking. If the pushback is, I don't think you're ready, find out why they don't think you're not ready. What do I need to work on? What do I need to increase my skills on? Find out what you can do to move to that next level. Figure out the steps you need to take to move up. And there's one final one you got to remember. Sometimes it's a dead end. Sometimes you're doing everything right and they're keeping you pigeonholed and they won't let you move to the next level. Well, the saying is, toolboxes have wheels for a reason. Sometimes you just got to wheel on to the next place. I know that part is scary, especially for a young tech, because unknown, but sometimes to advance your career, you don't have any choice. So I know this was a little harsh sometimes to hear, but good luck. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.